Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we will be doing an in-depth analysis of XAUUSD, looking at the recent news and events as well as various timeframes of candlestick chart data to make unbiased predictions of the future price. We will be examining the 1-day, 1-hour, and 15-minute charts to determine key price levels, support and resistance, and trends to help you make informed trading decisions. Recent news indicates a mixed outlook for XAUUSD. Some sources suggest a neutral to bearish sentiment in the short term due to the US dollar's recent gains, while others highlight strong bullish pressure and potential big buying opportunities. This conflicting sentiment underscores the need for a thorough technical analysis. Looking at the 1-day chart, we can observe a relatively volatile period over the past few months. Let's zoom in on the last month's price action. Notice the strong upward trend leading up to the recent price spike to near 2,100, followed by a sharp pullback. Here we see a clear example of a potential price reversal. The volume data supports the intensity of these price movements. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart to examine the shorter-term price action. Notice the consolidation pattern of the price that occurred during the period following the drop. We can see several instances where support and resistance levels come into play, influencing the short-term price movements. If we zoom in on this period, the consolidation pattern is clearly visible. Observe the numerous instances of support and resistance levels influencing short-term price movements. This pattern could signal either an imminent breakout or further consolidation. Let's transition to the 15-minute chart for a more granular look at price action. The recent price spike could represent a buying opportunity, while the following consolidation could be a period where traders accumulate before a possible continuation of the uptrend. Traders may want to look closely at the volume levels at this time frame as well. The 15-minute chart helps identify shorter-term trends and reversals that may be missed on larger time frames. In summary, XAUUSD shows a mixed short-term outlook based on the recent news and current price action. Key price levels to watch for are 2,100 as a potential support level in the short term and 2,000 for a more significant long-term support level. There's a chance that the price might consolidate further before making any major directional move. Let's watch the 1-hour timeframe consolidation pattern. If the price breaks above 2,100, this would increase the likelihood of a sustained uptrend, especially if accompanied by an increase in volume. Conversely, breaking below 2,000 would significantly reinforce bearish sentiment. It is important to keep your eye on the 1-hour time frame to look at the trend. Additional factors to watch closely include the US dollar's performance and the release of key economic data, which could significantly influence short-term price fluctuations. Remember, this analysis is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always conduct your research and consult with a financial professional before making any trading decisions.